Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. First of all, update your Snapchat app to its latest version. Now after that, just go on your profile and go to settings by clicking on top right corner, and here scroll down until you find privacy control. Under privacy control, go to data saver and turn off this option. Moving on to method number 2, just record the snap first and save it to your camera roll, and after that go to the chat where you want to send a snap, and here send a snap as a file, not as a snap, as a file, because Snapchat preserves file as higher quality and treat is as a file rather than a snap. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not offer any feature by which you can send high quality snaps, but what you can do is go on explore page and go to the search bar and type here HDR, and you can use these filters to make your image look more clearer and sharper. This is not effective, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And also at last, make sure you're using fast internet connection. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.